All right, so what I basically did, I was waiting for a while until the market start to get some more volatility in it. So what I was waiting for, I'm on the 4 hour chart for the SPX 500. What I was waiting for was something to look like this again. This was in April, where it had a pretty significant sell off. This was around the Israel and the Hezbollah situation that popped off. And when Iran shot all those missiles, they shot like 300 missiles into Israel, and it did all of this in that time period. This is like a, let me see, let's see how big that move is. This is on the 4 hour chart too. That move was like, that was like 212 points. That's a 4% move in a relatively short time period. Let's go to the day chart. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, that whole week basically, that whole week was a sell off. So at the end of that 200 points, that roughly that a 4% move, I want to say is about $1,500 if you stayed in it. Cause this was about 200. And this is the one that I got. This the trade that I put in while I was starting to look for it. Cause I was looking for a similar thing that happened over here. So once I saw that it started to reject the top of the market here at 5,681, start to reject up here. I start to look for a sell around here. I managed to get that 200 from this, but what I'm looking for is for this area to get covered where this green is at. I want this area to get covered. That's a 3% move. There has to be some form of major news. If you see, this is basically human psychology and the fear in the market. Like, people are watching what's going on in the news. This is like Trump assassination right here. Like, the attempt. This is the hacking that's been happening. So it's like, it's a few big things going on in the world right now. So I'm assuming that it's going to try to make this drop back to 53.40. So I'm at the point where I'm starting to trade this bear market, and I'm intending for it to start trading down here below 4,800. It's just going to keep going down if this is the top of the market. It may retrace a little bit. Uh, I don't know if it's going to do that before the elections. I think it depends on who like wins the election. But from what I'm seeing, these are a lot of trades. This is just a tradable area from what I'm seeing, and it's like, I'll be dumb to not trade this. Like, this is on the day chart, so like I'm at the beginning of a massive sell off. I would have to be coming back for the next few days and see what happens. I don't think it's going to retrace in that time period back to a bullish side, but it could find some resistance here and turn right back around. But as far as I'm seeing, I'm bear for now on, like, through this whole market. Like, I'm only finding bear trades, only finding situations that I can find to sell in, and lining it up for that. I've been waiting for weeks. Yeah, I've been waiting for these key moments to keep happening, but at some point it's going to be consistent sell-offs where it's not in the bullish market, it's in the bear market, and they got a lot of room to cover. So, like, shit, like my friend said at work, we going to be rich. Like, we going to be rich if we can trade this for the next 4 or 5 years. So, yeah, this looked like the video about the end. So this is that's all I wanted to say. All right, thank you.